This 5-minute solution will show you how to use two WhatsApp accounts in iOS 17 in iPhone. So if you recently updated your iOS version to 17 and now you are wondering to use two WhatsApp accounts in your iPhone, follow these easy and simple steps to do it. So to use two WhatsApp accounts, first of all, you have to install the WhatsApp application and you have to install WhatsApp Business app. So go to your App Store and search for WhatsApp Business and also install WhatsApp Business app. Then launch the WhatsApp application and here log into your first WhatsApp account using your first number. Then open the WhatsApp Business application. Tap on agree and continue. And tap on use a different number. Now enter here your another WhatsApp number. And tap on done and you have to verify the number. And that's how you will be able to use two WhatsApp accounts in one iPhone. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5 Minute Solution. See you in the next video.